Hi everyone, welcome to VM by C. Today our topic is vinculum concept. It is very wonderful concept in Vedic mathematics. In generally, if you see in regular mathematics, we have two types of numbers. One will be positive number, another will be negative number. But in Vedic system, we have another type of number also. That number is a combination of both positive and negative. Let us see how to represent positive and the negative numbers in the Vedic system. Suppose if you are taking positive numbers, in regular mathematics, in Vedic mathematics also, positive numbers we are writing as it is. For example, if you are taking 35, in Vedic maths also, we are writing as it is. But negative numbers we are representing in another way. Okay, let us take one example. -4 is there. In Vedic mathematics, we are writing that number 4 bar. So we are writing a bar over the number. Let me take two-digit number here. -23 I taken. The 23 in Vedic mathematics, we are representing 23 bar or else 2 bar, 3 bar. If you take three-digit number, -556, we are representing in Vedic mathematics 556 bar or 4 bar, 5 bar and 6 bar. If you take four-digit number, in Vedic mathematics we are representing totally 1 bar or else individual bar we are writing. Okay, so in this way we are representing negative numbers in Vedic system. And another very important point we have to observe from these examples, very important. So based on this note, we are converting vinculum number into normal number into vinculum number. Okay, what is the point is, suppose we see the positive number and the negative number. So suppose if you are taking negative number -4869, each digit is a negative. Yes or no? And if you take the positive number, each digit is a positive. So this is the very important point. So what is that point? In positive number, every digit is a positive. The second note, in negative number, every digit is a negative. Okay, so this is the very important point. So please note down that point. Okay, now let us see what are the vinculum numbers. Let me take here one example on vinculum numbers. So I said vinculum number is nothing but combination of both positive and negative numbers. That means, for example, 2, 3 bar, 4, 5 bar, 6, 7, 5 bar, 8 bar, 7, 9, 4, 8, 9 bar, 6 bar, 7 bar. So here I take in different types of examples. Another example, 6 bar, 7, 8, 9, 7 bar, 8 bar. Okay, you can see in these numbers, if you observe, the numbers having both positive and the negative digits. So that is the reason these type of the numbers we are called as vinculum numbers. Okay. And here the very important point we have to observe. So before going to observe that point, let me take two examples here. For suppose 2 3 bar I taken. So here the place value of the 2 will be 2 times of 10, that equal to 20, and the place value of the negative 3 will be 3 into 1, so that is negative 3. So if you add together, then we are getting here 17. So the value of the 2 3 bar is nothing but 17. Let me take here another example. 4 bar 3 I taken. Here the place value of negative 4 is nothing but negative 4 into 10, and the place value of 3 is nothing but 3 into 1. If you add together, then you are getting minus 40 plus 3, then you are getting minus 37. Yes or no? Now we have to again observe very important point here. Here you can see this number is started with a positive digit, then your answer also is the positive. And here in this number, your starting number is the negative, so your answer also a negative number. Yes or no? That means starting digit is positive, then resultant number is positive number. Yes or no? And your starting digit is negative, then resultant number is negative number. And this is also very important for the conversion. So this is the very important point here. Okay, right. Let us try to understand few concepts here regarding vinculum numbers. In the vinculum number, okay, in the vinculum number is nothing but combination of both positive and the negative digit. In regular mathematics, we are not allowing vinculum numbers. Yes or no? For that reason, we have to convert vinculum number into normal number. So for that reason, we are focusing on conversion. So conversion is mainly depends on 3 points. One will be your starting digit of the vinculum number is positive or negative. It is depending upon that number. Okay, that is the one point. And another point will be any specific condition. We are talking about that. Any specific condition. I will discuss about it later. Okay, that another point is, okay, specific condition. Another point is sometimes in the normal number, when normal number having the digit more than 5, so then we are converting it to vinculum number, then that number becomes very smaller number. So when digit more than 5, digits more than 5. For example, if you see 298 is there. In this number, you can see the digits are more than 5. So we are converting this number 302 bar like this. Now you can observe the digits are very smaller then we can do the calculation very fast compared with this one. So the conversion we have based on thin means 3 conditions. Okay, for these conditions we are using 3 main sutras. So one sutra will be Nikilam Navataha Sharamam Dashataha. So it in English translation is all from 9 and last from 10. And another sutra is Ekadikena Purvena. It means one more. And another formula Eka Nyunena. It means one less. And another formula also we can write here, that is Vilokanam. Vilokanam means observation. Observation. So observation we are doing whether the given question based on which condition. Okay, which condition? That is the reason we have to observe that. So Vilokanam Sutra also I am including here. So before going to see the conversion, let us see why we are using Nikilam Navataha Charamam Dashataha Sutra. For example, 400 plus 34 here I'm adding. So your answer will be here 234. Now you can see exactly this 0 is replaced with 3. This 0 is replaced with 4. So then we are getting 234. So based on this logic, if you see here, 200 minus 34 in case I am writing, then we can write this number 200 plus 3 bar 4 bar. Yes or no? Now, as per this example, this 0 is replaced with this number and this 0 is replaced with this number. So then we are getting 2, 3 bar and 4 bar. So now this is the Vinkulam number. So the Vinkulam number is nothing but here you can observe that is nothing but the subtraction. Nothing but subtraction. Yes or no? Let us try to solve this subtraction. And what are the points we are going to observe? Let us see. Suppose if you do this problem in a normal way, so we are taking one borrow from that number, again one borrow from that number. So then it is become 10 and this is become 9 and we are subtracting 1 from this number. So 10 minus 4 will be 6, 9 minus 3 will be, we are getting 6 and 2 minus 1 will be 1. So the points are the first digit is subtracted from the 10. Yes. So that means that is the last digit. Yeah. Last digit subtracted from 10. And the remaining digit is subtracted all digit, or you can write, or else you can write remaining digits also subtracted from 9. And whatever last digit is there, on that digit we are applying Eka Nyunena Purvena. Eka Nyunena Purvena Sutra we are applying. Let me take here another example. 30000 minus 4563 I take in. So the same rule we are going to apply. So first digit from 10. Why? Because we are taking borrow, borrow and borrow. So this is become 7. This is 9. Then we are taking 3 here. This is 9. Then we are taking 4 and this is 9. Then we are taking 5 and we are subtracting 1 from this number. Then we are getting 2. Now see, the first number from we are subtracting from the 10 and the remaining digit, all the digits are subtracted from the 9 and whatever last digit is there, we are doing Eka Nyunena Purvena. So that is the reason the sutra becomes all from 9, the last from 10. So that sutra is we are using here. Okay. Now we have to observe another point here. So 200 minus 34 is nothing but 2, 3 bar, 4 bar. Yes or no? Now based on this sutra, the last digit from 10, then you are getting here 6, and the digit from the 9, then you are getting again 6. We are subtracting minus 1 from the last digit, then you are getting 166. So this is the rule for this solving subtraction problem. Okay. And another very important point is, when you are converting vinculum number into normal number into vinculum number, selection and grouping is very important. This selection and grouping mainly depends upon again three conditions. Whatever condition I discussed over, one will be either number started with positive or negative, and the another number will be here digits are more than 5. Okay, another will be specific condition. Specific condition. So specific condition means it is also depends upon these two rules only, but we are operating in a different way. Okay, now see, I'm very clearly I'm declaring here. This first point is we are applying when vinculum number converting into normal number. Okay, and this rule is we are using for normal number to vinculum number. So please note this point. This is the very important point. And I'm declaring here one point, very important one point here I'm declaring. Okay. What is the point here? Suppose, let us take one example. 89 you are taking. This is a normal number. We are converting into vinculum number. So for that, we are taking very nearest to this number base. I mean, this number nearest to base will be 90. And it is 1 less than the 90. So I'm writing minus 1. So then you can see here, so 9, 1 bar, it is become. For suppose 9, 1 bar I taken. So this is nothing but place value of 9 will be 90 and the place value of minus 1 will be minus 1 here. So that is 81, it is become. That means here you can see, the point is what I'm going to elevate here. Suppose if you are converting a positive digit, if you are converting in the positive digit here, you are converting in the negative digit here. So when you are selecting a positive digit, the penultimate digit is increased by 1. The penultimate digit is increased by 1. So when you are selecting a positive digit, then you have to use Eka Adhikena Purvena Sutra. Okay. Here, when your vinculum number converted into normal number, the penultimate digit is increased by 1. Decreased by 1. That means when you are selecting a positive digit, then you have to use Eka Nyunena Sutra. So this is the very important point. Along with this, another point we have to learn here. So when you are selecting a positive digit, okay, when you are selecting a positive digit, here you positive 9 you are selected, here negative 1 you are selected. When you are selecting a positive digit, your answer is in the negative. Your answer is in the negative. Okay, your answer is in the negative. Let me write negative. Okay, and here you can see the positive digit, so negative digit when you are selecting, your answer is in the positive. So here we are converting answer in the positive. So this is the very important rule along with these 3 points. Okay, this 3 point, it is the Very, very important. Okay. Now, let us see how to do selection and grouping. Okay, selection and grouping. Only and selection and grouping, I am talking about first two conditions, whether digit is started with positive or negative, and another will be digit more than 5. And the third case is there, that is specific condition. Specific condition means that is a different one. Okay, right. Suppose let me take here few examples. 2, 4, 8, 6, 3, 8, 9, 6, and another will be 9, 8, 2, 4, 8, 6, 3, 4, and another number will be 1, 2, 9, 8, 6, 2, 1, 3, 7, 8, 2, 9. Okay, now see. I will first two examples are vinculum numbers. Let me write these numbers are vinculum. Okay. Right. And last example is more than 5. That means we are converting these vinculum numbers into normal number. And this is the normal number we are converting into vinculum number. Right. The first point we have to observe that. See, the given question is a positive number or a negative number. The resultant I am talking about. So the digit is started with positive. So our resultant also positive. Result also a positive number. Yes or no? So result is a positive number. So in the result is a positive number. So resulting having only positive digits. But you can see in this example, some digits are the negative. So for that reason, we have to remove those negative digits by selection. Let me write, this is a selection, not section. Selection. Okay. Come to this question. Here, the starting digit will be negative. That means result also a negative number. Yes, it is also a negative number. So negative number having only negative digits, but in this case you can see some positive digits are there. So we have to remove those digits. Okay, we have to remove those digits, and after that we will select that. How to select, I will tell you that. Okay, now come to this question. This is a normal question to vinculum number. So for the normal questions, we have to select digit which are more than 5. So you can see 9, 8, 6, 7, 8, 9 are the digits which are more than 5. So we are focusing on these digits. Okay, ready. Let us see how to do the grouping. Okay, right. Now see. So my given number is actually positive number. So I have to select negative number. So negative digit is there. So negative. Next also a negative. Next is the positive. Then it is a one group. Next, yeah, again see, negative digit is started. Negative, yes, negative, again positive. Then mean it is a one group. Next one, negative, next one is positive. So this is the one group. Okay, right. In this question, we want to focus on positive digit. Why? Because this is a negative number. So positive, positive, and the negative, one combination. Next positive and the positive and the negative, that is the one group. So here -4, -8 digits are not included. So that means we are writing those digits as it is. In this case, we are focusing on the digits which are more than 5. So 9, next smaller number is there. So this is a one group. Big number, smaller number, one group. Next, big number, and smaller number. So this is the one group. So in this way, we have to select the digits and the group the digits. And each group, on the each group, we have to apply formula individually. Okay, we are applying on this group individually, and this group on individually, and this group also individually. We have to apply it. Let us take some more examples here. Some more examples here. So 248023 and 14002456328663 and 399924. Okay, if you are taking the questions like this, then let me write some negatives and the positive over on the digits. Okay, let us see now. Right. So this is the negative, and let me take this is the negative, and this is the negative, and this is the negative. Okay, and yeah, that's fine. Now let us try to select the digit and grouping the digit. So this is the positive digit. Yes, but because it is started with positive. So when positive digits came, then we have to remove the negative digits. So this is a negative. This is a neutral number. When neutral number comes, we have to move for another positive digit. So this is the one group. Very, very important point. And this is a negative, and this is the positive. That will be the one group. It is also a positive digit. Why? Because it is started with positive. So the whole number is positive number now. So negative we have to remove. Negative, positive. Negative, neutral, neutral, positive. So this will be the one group. Okay. Come to this example. The big digit we have to select. So bigger digit, bigger digit, bigger digit, and smaller digit. That will be the one group. And the bigger digit, bigger digit, bigger digit, and the smaller digit. So that will be one group. So in this way, we have to select and grouping. Let us try to solve the problems now. Okay, let us try to solve the problems now. For suppose 2, 4, 5, 2. So this is the negative, this is the negative, this is the negative. I clearly mentioned that whenever you are selecting a negative digit, then we have to use Eka Nunena. Yes or no? Eka Nunena we have to select. Now see. So negative digit, negative digit, negative digit, and positive digit. Why I am removing here negative digits means that this number is started with positive digits. So that means the result is a positive number. So when positive number is the result, then we have to remove the negative digit. So that is the reason I am here eliminating the negative digit by using Nikilam Navataha Charmam Dashataha. So this is my one group. So first digit from 10, then you are getting 8. The next number is a from 9, then you are getting 4. The next number you are subtracting from 9, then you are getting 5. And this is the positive digit. See, here you are selected the negative digit. That is the reason we are subtracting 1 from that number. So then you are getting 1. So this is the conversion of the given question. Let me take here another example and try to understand it. So 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 6, 3, 2. So negative, 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 negative. Okay. First of all, on which condition we have to selecting and grouping the digits. Now this is the totally positive number. Why? Because this number is started with a negative digit. So we have to remove the negative digits from the given question. So that is the reason negative, 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 positive. That is the one group. Negative, 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 positive. So that is the another group here. Now see. So from 10, then you are getting 8. From 9, then you are getting 6. But this is the positive digit. So we are removing 1 from that number. Why? Because whenever you are selecting a positive digit, sorry, negative digit, then use Eka Nunena on the positive digit. Why? Because 6 is the positive digit. So we have how to apply on that. Okay. So then you are getting 5. And 9 is we are writing as it is. Why? Because it is not included in the group. So next digit from 10. Again, the same formula you have to apply. From 10, then you are getting 2. From 9, you are getting 2. From 9, you are getting 4. So this is the positive digit. So subtract 1 from the digit, then you are getting 3. And 2 is not included in the group, so we are writing 2 as it is. So this is the solution of this number. Let me take here another example. 2500243. So just negative digit is here. So first of all, let us check whether which number it is. This is a positive number clearly. Yes, why? Because the started number is a positive digit, you can see. So when positive number is there, we have to remove the negative number. So negative number, but neutral game, and positive number. So this will be the group. So that means you can take this number as a negative, not a problem. Okay. So 4 and 3 as writing as it is. Why? Because it is not included in the group. So on the group, I'm applying all from 9, last from 10, along with ek and union. So from 10, 8, from 9, 9, from 9, 9, subtract 1 from this number, then you are getting 4, and I'm writing 2 as it is. So this is the solution of the given question. In this way, we have to convert. Let us try to take some more examples here. Suppose -2, 3, 4, the number I take in. First of all, this number is a negative number. Total is a negative number. So negative number having only negative digit. But here we have the positive digit. That means we have to eliminate. Positive digits here. Eliminate positive digit. That is a very important part. Eliminate. Let me write. Eliminate. Eliminate positive digit. When you are eliminating positive digit, then we are using Eka Adhikena Purvena. Eka Adhikena Purvena we have to apply. Okay, right. So each digit must be in the negative only. So that is the reason positive digit selected, and the negative digits. So this will be the one group here. So we are subtracting from 10, then we are getting 6, but we are writing negative. Why? Because our answer is a negative. So this is the positive, from 9, then you are getting 6 bar. But when you are selecting positive digit, when you are eliminating the positive digit, okay, when you are eliminating the positive digit, Eka Adhikena we have to use. So that means we have to add 1 to this number, then you are getting 1 bar. So this is the final answer. -166. This is the final answer. Let me take here another example and try to understand the concept. Okay. So let me take different values here. Okay. Now first decide which digit we have to eliminate, positive or negative. For that, we have to check what is the answer. So this number is started with the negative digit. That means the final answer will be the negative one. So final answer is the negative one. That means positive digit must to be removed from the given question. So what is positive digit? Let me select positive, negative, one group, positive, negative, one group, positive, negative, one group, positive, negative, another group. We have to apply formula on each group individually. From 10, it is 9, add 1 to in. See, positive digit removing, add 1. Negative digit removing, subtract 1. So that is 5 bar. But it is also minus. Okay. So from 10, it is 2 bar. From 9, it is 5 bar. So add 1 to the negative number, then you are getting -2. So from 10, 4 bar. Add 1 to this number, 7 bar. From 10, 6 bar. From 9, 6 bar. Add 1 to this number. So then you are getting 1. So this is the, oh sorry, this is the negative. So this is the final result of the given number. That means the total negative number is converted into like this. That is the solution. Right. Let us focus on now converting normal number into Vinculum number. Normal number into Vinculum number. For suppose 2, 8, 9 I take it. So this is a normal number. Okay, this is a normal number. So now we are converting into Nicolam. When normal number is given, that we have to focus on the digits which are more than 5, which are more than 5. Here you can see here the digits 9 and 8 are more than 5. So this is the bigger digit, this is the bigger digit, then smaller digit we have to take. Okay, right. So we are converting this number and this number. Okay, here you are selecting the positive digit. So from 10, 1 bar, from 9, 1 bar. You selected the positive digits. So that is the reason add 1 to this number. Recently I said no. Removing the positive digit, then ekadikena use. Removing the negative digit, then eka nunana is used. So 3. So this is the conversion. Let me take here another example. Okay. So 2, 5, 8, 6, 7, 2, 1, 9, 0, 2, 9, 8, 3. So let us search for the digits which are more than 5. So bigger digit, smaller digit. Bigger digit, smaller digit. Bigger digit, and the smaller digit. You can group 5 up to 5, or else you can include 2 also. Not a issue. Okay, not a issue. So 3 is writing as it is. From 10, it is 2 bar. From 9, it is 0 bar. So you are converting the positive digit. That means you are eliminating the positive digit. So add ekadikena. So that is 3. From 10, 1 bar plus 1 will be here 2. And this will be from 10, 3 bar. And this will be from 9, 3 bar. And this will be from 9, 1 bar. So add 1 to this number, then you are getting 6, and this is the 2. So this is the Vinculum conversion. This is the Vinculum conversion. Let me take here some more examples. For suppose 899 is there. Okay, 899 is there. Suppose all digits are the more than 5. So selected. But here we have another digit. So that it is nothing but 0 here. So from 10, 1 bar. From 9, 0 bar. From 9, 1 bar. Add 1 to here. Then you are getting this one. So the answer will be 1, 1 bar, 0, 1 bar. So this is the Vinculum conversion. Another way also we can convert. Okay, that depends upon, comes under specific condition. That is comes under specific condition. Let us talk about specific conditions examples. Let us talk about specific conditions examples. Suppose the same question 899, the specific condition. That condition given by the problem are given by examiner. Suppose just the question is convert this number into 3-digit number, that we must Vinculum number, that be Vinculum number. So if you want to convert this number into Vinculum, even Vinculum number also having 3 digits, then these 2 digits must be selected. That means these 2 digits will be removed. So that is 1 bar, and this is 0 bar, and add 1 to this number, then you are getting 1. So this is 900 and minus 1. Yes or no? This is nothing but 900 and minus 1 only. Suppose if you round up this number for 1000, then it is 101 less. Both are correct. So we can say that normal number not having unique Vinculum number. That means it having many Vinculum numbers. I hope you understand the concept. Okay. Suppose let me take here another example. 299 is there, so it is nearest to 300. So 300 minus 1 you can write 301 bar, or else 299 is there. From 10, 1 bar. from 9, 0 bar, add to 1, then you are getting this one. This is the one. So suppose sometimes what happened, 2, 4, 3, 5, 6. The question is given like this. Sometimes if you see Nikilam multiplication, okay, in the condition, sometime what happened, in the right hand part, we want to, suppose this is the left side part and this is the right side part, let us assume. And this problem is based on 100. This problem is based on 100, let us assume. So in the Nikilam multiplication, the problem is based on 100. In the right hand position, 2 digit will be fixed. 2 digit will be fixed, and this 3 is moving to the left part and it is added. So here I selected here one point. What is that? -4, -5, -6 I selected. So the selected digits are converted. This is the specific condition. Na? So this will be 4, and the from 9 this is will be 4, and subtract 1 from this digit. Why? Because you are selected the negative digit. So negative digits are eliminated. Then we are using Eka Nunena. Okay, whether penultimate digit is positive or negative, we are not bothering about in the specific condition. It is following on the base rule. So 2 digit we want, so we have to stick with 2 digit only. So those 2 digits are converted into positive, and this will be -4. But -4 is added to the left part, and the minus is subtracted. No, then you are getting 20. So this is the result. This is the result. Let me take here clearly one example, then you can easily understand it. Suppose 9, not 9, 8 into 1, 2, 5. So 90, let me take this is 24, then it seems to be good. 90 years deviation will be here, -2. And 124 deviation will be 24. After that, we are doing cross addition, any one of these. So then you are getting left part. In the right part, we are multiplying 24 into -2. Yeah, so this example not suitable. Let me take here another example. Let me take here 89 times of 124. So then 98 deviation will be -11, and 124 deviation will be 24 from the base 100. So if you subtract this number from the 121, so 113 you will get. In the right hand part, 11 times of 24 we have to write. So that is nothing but here 2 bar, 6 bar, 4 bar. Now the based on this condition, base is 100. Only 2 digits are fixed here. So the extra digit must be carried. So now we are converting this digit now. 6 and the digit from 9, 3. You are selected 2 digit. You are grouped that one. So the last digit for you have to subtract 1 from that digit. That is a very important. So this -3. Why? Because I already told you eliminating negative digits. So we are using Eka Nunena. Eliminating the positive digit, then we are using Eka Adhikena. So you are selected negative digit. So use Eka Nunena. So that -3 is subtracted from the, so 110. So this is the your final answer of this one. In this way, the specific condition is depends. Okay. Thank you so much.